3 things I will never do in my home renovations if this will be my home and I'm doing a project for myself. One thing, I will never make a decision without an actual budget, without actually understanding what the final product is going to look like, what's going to cost me, what's the steps, how long it's going to take. I will not work with the constructor unless he can help me understand the scope of work, there's everything on guidance, selections on there, full understanding. Number 2, I will never leave, for example in here, I will never leave a plumbing pipe, something like this, behind the wall. If I have this plumbing pipe behind the wall, I will never leave this right. That's a problem. This is just right there. It's gonna be a problem. Why is it gonna be a problem? It's gonna be pinch hole, and the water's gonna be coming up very slowly. You're not gonna find out, and when the time you find out, your floor is gonna be sinking down, and that's gonna be not good. I'm gonna share with you what something like that may look. I will never leave any old plumbing behind the wall if it's complete got out. If it's repair one thing, but if I'm draining my bathroom, I will do it the right way. Number 3, I will never work with a company cannot build trust on me, can help me understand where we stand, what's the next steps, how long it's gonna take, how much it's gonna cost, every step of the way. If I am the owner of the project, I will not work with somebody, because that to me is problems. There is no what's next steps. There's no plan. There's no time limit. There's no limitation. There is no expectations. I will not work with a company if they cannot help me understand expectations. Those are the 3 things I would not do it if I would be doing my own project. You take care. Hopefully that helps.